Okay, this is a review of circles. You want to keep this for the final exam. Remember that pi is 3.14. All right, our first word, diameter, also known as diameter. Diameter. And diameter is going all the way across, right through the center, all the way across the circle. The distance across the circle going through the center. That's called diameter. And we use diameter for circumference. A circumference is going around the circle and circumference is diameter times pi. And remember, pi is 3.14. Okay, and diameter is all the way across. So when we want to figure out circumference, we need diameter. Let's go down to the one below it. Sorry, I'm a little awkward here. It's a little awkward. One below it, and we have a diameter. Oh, we don't know the diameter, but we have a radius of 4 meters. Okay, so we know the radius, but we don't know the diameter. So the diameter is going to be 2 of these all the way across. So if this is 4 meters here, and then this must be 4 meters there. And that means the diameter is 8 meters. Okay, so let's see. And remember, our formula is diameter times pi. And so our diameter is 8, and pi is 3.14. We'll use 3.14. And now we just calculate. And I come up with 25.12. And the units is just meters, because that's how far it is, how long it is going all the way around. It's the perimeter. Circle fence. So circumference is like circle and fence. So think of that when you think of circumference. Circle, fence, circumference. Okay, now back to the top of the page. We have is radius. Radius. And radius is from the center to the outside. That's your radius. It's half a diameter. And remember, diameter is all the way across. Radius is just halfway. And we use radius to find the area. Okay, we like to use the radius for the area. And what is area? It is r squared times pi. In other words, RR sounds like a pirate. R times R times pi. That's for area. And the way I like to remember it is, we want to know how many squares, r squared. We want to know how many of those r's, square r's, will fit inside there. That's how you remember it. Area is always squares, r squared. So now let's go to the problem below. Now notice we're given diameter. Okay, well the radius is half of that, right? The radius is going to be half of that. The radius is going to be 5 meters. This is the diameter, and this is the radius. Radius is only halfway across. And our formula was r squared times pi. So the radius is 5, just plug it in. So that's 5 times 5 times 3.14. It's not exact, but it's very close to being exact. 3.14. Calculate that out. It's 78.5 square meters. Meters squared. That's the area. Area is always measured in squares. Okay, so just a quick recap. You need to know for circumference, you need to know the diameter going all the way across. For area, you need to know radius squared, the radius. Okay, that's the difference.